When we talk about top engineering, it doesn't matter if it was made 40 years ago or today. This is Konica Minolta. Imagine an intelligent video system built with German technology that can solve problems in all areas according to the needs of your business. Konica Minolta video solutions can ensure safety in a factory unit by detecting a simple lighter's flame, making a constant thermal analysis.
Warning, I detected a flame. If it's still there in 5 seconds, I'll trigger an alarm.
Our solutions can also prevent malfunctions in the production line. In this large logistics company, everything is controlled, from registering vehicles' plates to movement detection inside and outside the buildings. The system communicates with the network and can trigger alarms using its own AI. We can also provide global solutions for the retail industry. Imagine having the ability to better understand consumer behavior by analyzing their path through the aisles, knowing where they stand or spend the most time, and which products grab their attention, always respecting data protection. Of course, it also prevents theft and intruders from breaking in. See what Konica Minolta video solutions can do in a health clinic. For example, alert you whenever a patient falls or gets out of bed. A real nurse's assistant 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Imagine a system that counts every person in the entrance hall and also uses advanced face recognition technology, granting personal access to the gym or spa. A gas leak can be very dangerous in this place. Konica Minolta video solutions can detect it and avoid a fire before it happens. Thanks to Mobotic's unique technology, with 20 years of experience in the market, Konica Minolta developed a holistic security concept for every business. Safety is our biggest concern, and with this technology, security is at another level. With Konica Minolta Global Solutions, everything, literally everything, will be under your control. Get to know a new concept of security and data analysis, where the present touches the future. Konica Minolta. Make the invisible visible.